Finally getting around to the front cam that I've been wanting to install on my Jeep. This was about $35 on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description. The main reason I've been wanting one of these is for when we're off-roading, when we're going up over a hill. You can't really see over the hood when you're, up in an incline on these Jeeps. So this should help with that. Alright, so what we have here is some basic instructions. The display itself, it comes with, the connectors. Comes with a comes with a camera, but I'm going to mount mine in the front. It's got a little 3M tape mount that you can use. Comes with a pretty good amount of cable to run, to the front. This came with a cigarette lighter attachment. I'm going to splice this and run it, straight into my S-Pod. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one of the switches down here. And actually, it looks like it comes with both the connector to hardwire it, or to use the connector and a cigarette lighter attachment. But like I said, I am going to go ahead and hardwire it to my S-Pod. So that's about it for as far as what's in the box. So I think at this point we'll go ahead and we'll get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start running the video cable to the front of the Jeep. And alright, so I'm under the driver's side dash panel, and in the upper left hand corner there's a rubber grommet that you can run all your wiring through, and that's what we're going to go through. As you can see, I've already been using it for other stuff, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to run the video cable through here as well. Alright, so I went ahead and I ran the power wire for the camera, so it's just, coming through here and connected right there. And coming through the firewall right here, and that's the video cable. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a a wire loom on here and do that next, I think, and then we're almost done wiring it up, but we're going to keep going. Let's review the cabling route. So we have the front camera mounted here, just with two-way tape, and the power cable snakes around. Actually, this is the video and the power. Just snakes around, goes under the core support here, through the dash, in back of the core support here and up, and this is it right here. And the power is going to the S-Pod. The video keeps going, snakes under here, through the hole in the dash. So now we're inside the Jeep, and just comes in through the hole in the firewall. And I'm gonna zip tie this, but it's just gonna go under the dash like so. Up the side of the dash here. So it's just snaked up the side of the dash. And one thing I want to point out, that these are on quick disconnects. I put some duct tape on here just to kind of protect them. But if you ever want to remove this, if you're not going wheeling for a while and you just want to get out of the way, you can. It's just two quick connections. But it's just snaking its way up through here, and I have it held on by an X clamp. And there's a shot of the switches. and I just have it on the last one right there. And I'll go ahead and hit the camera, and there it is. So this should help out quite a bit on the trail when you're going up, over hills and ledges and everything else. And we'll go to the front real quick. And what's nice about this is adjustable, so you can, adjust it up and down and etc. So, and I just stuck it on with 3M two-way tape. Make sure you use the heavy-duty exterior type of 3M tape. It's like a dark gray, but it'll hold up to the weather. Alright, so there's another shot of it. There's another shot of the X-clamp, and I'm just controlling it through my S-Pod. And I think that wraps it up.